Guys, Councillor van Sail, I'm here at Weltevrede landfill site here in Brakpan. We're here by the pylons, which we have given through to the mayor. We've done a few emails to him about the concerns we've got. If you have a look, you'll see this is a big problem. If these pylons actually collapse, a lot of areas around Brakpan will not have electricity. So what we've done is we've sent mails in December, we've sent follow-up mails in January. We're waiting for answers from the mayor, which we're not getting. You'll also see that EMPD was here, they did an action, it was all advertised all over. It went good for a week or so, and now the dump site is closed again. We're sitting with the same problem. The perimeter fencing is not sorted, which we asked about in the emails. The pylons, which is the biggest concern, is also not sorted. And we've got the Zamas back. That's why the dump site is closed. As you guys can see, this is uncontrolled access where the guys still come and do recycling here while the dumps are closed. Not acceptable. Guys, as you can see, we're in the middle of the dump site. As you can see, also ongoing recycling while the dumps is closed. We're going to send emails to the mayor and we're going to try and get some action. Have a look at this. Dumps is closed and look at this. Wow. With all the pressure from the Freedom Front Plus in Brakpan, the Weltevrede landfill site is open again. Freedom Front Plus works for you.